Hello and welcome to another tutorial at Mika Films AI. Today I will show you how to generate these Ghibli type images and other art style images using ChatGPT and turn them into videos using Kling AI. To begin, head on to ChatGPT, link below and sign up using your socials. On a new chat, click the upload button below and upload your image. Here I have used an image I had generated using Leonardo AI. To learn more about Leonardo, check out my other tutorials. Once uploaded, add in this prompt and submit. It will take a while on the free account, but you should get a Ghibli-style image after. Let's try another one. This time I added the prompt to add some cinematic lighting and mood setting. I added this image and asked ChatGPT to convert it to a Ghibli-style image. And here is the results. Now let's try to ask it to change it to a 90s Disney animated style. You can just ask it again right after, as ChatGPT can understand the context based on your previous inputs. Next, I am going to add another image, and I am going to ask ChatGPT to somewhat blend and add this image with the castle image I had earlier in the style of Ghibli, using these prompts. And here is the results. Now, I don't really like the smiling face, and let's say I want to change the expression of this character. I can simply open it up, use the brush tool above, and highlight the area. Type in my prompt to give it a more serious look, and ChatGPT changes it for me. I can also ask it to change to other art styles, such as a Pixar 3D style as seen here. We can also add multiple images together from the start and ask ChatGPT to create a new image based on them. Here we have two images of dwarf warriors, and I asked ChatGPT to imagine them in an icy battlefield in the style of Ghibli. We can also get ChatGPT to render them in a style of a newspaper comic book, a Marvel-style comic book, and many more. Just type in the prompt form a cartoon show or a style you are familiar with and experiment to get your desired result. Here is another example of an image I uploaded and converting it to a 2D anime style with some cel shading. Here is another example of an image I uploaded and reimagined in Lego style, and also in 3D Pixar style. Another art style that is popular now is to make various kind of toy figurines. To do that, simply add in your image. Here I have an image of a dwarf king. Now sometimes you might have errors of ChatGPT being down when you are using the free version, so just wait until it's ready again. Add in this prompt here for an action figure like type render. Change these prompts here to fit your description, such as the name of the figurine, the color of the packaging, the type of equipment or accessories it has, and a scorecard at the top if you want one. And here's the final results. We can also do different toy types. Here I have one that is done using Lego style. I added certain things such as the number of pieces, serial number, and the recommended age. Now sometimes the prompt don't follow all of our instructions, but that is okay. I asked it to have the assembled Lego piece side by side with the box, but it didn't do that. So we simply ask it to render again. It is like talking to a real designer to iterate your design ideas. Here is the results. I made another example this time using SH figure art style, changing certain things such as the accessories and equipment. Sometimes if you don't get the desired results, simply talk to ChatGPT to make whichever changes you want, or highlight the area you want it to change. Here are the results. Here's another example of another character that I have asked ChatGPT to convert into some kind of toy collectible. Again, should I require some changes? Simply tell ChatGPT what you want to change, or better yet, highlight and selected the areas you want to change and write in the prompt for the changes. Lastly, to animate these images, as usual, we will head on to Kling AI, upload the images here using the image to video model. We will use the 1.6 model, professional mode, and creativity relevant scale to 0.7. For the Lego scene, here is the prompt I wrote, adding in movement in the style of Lego Movie. For the Ghibli scene, I wrote, movement in the style of Studio Ghibli, 2D animation. We can also animate the toy action figure as well. There are many art styles you can explore using ChatGPT's new image model and bring them to Kling AI to make a video out of it. I hope you find this sharing useful. Consider subscribing to my channel for more video AI tutorials. Till next time, goodbye.